Good morning, students. Welcome to the accountancy class. Today we are going to learn the difference between accounting and accountancy. Up till now, we have known the meaning of accountancy. We know that accountancy includes both bookkeeping and accounting. Then we understood the meaning of bookkeeping separately, that how it's basic, it does not require much skills. The bookkeeper can do it with limited knowledge. It includes four basic steps like identification of financial transaction, monetary measurement, recording in journal, classifying in ledger. It's a primary stage and it gives a platform for accounting. Okay, accounting on the other hand begins where bookkeeping ends and also includes three important steps that are summarizing, analysis and communication of summarized data. Okay, that means accountancy is a wider concept because it includes both bookkeeping and accounting. Now, after having understood the difference between bookkeeping and accountancy, let us move ahead by understanding the difference between accounting and accountancy. So there are four bases: act, scope, relation and function. Let us start with the first one, act. Accounting is concerned with recording, classifying and summarizing business transaction and communicating the information to various users. Accountancy, on the other hand, is a body of knowledge which contains rules or principles which help accounting procedure to take its shape. So, accountancy helps accounting procedure. Your book name is Fundamental of Accounting, means in class 11th you are going to understand the accounting procedure of sole trader, sole proprietor. Understand? So how the guidelines are got? It is through accountancy that accounting is possible. Now scope, narrow, because it is part of accountancy. So, and it begins where bookkeeping ends. Accountancy is a basic subject. I told you it includes both bookkeeping and accounting, and hence it's wider. I repeat, accountancy is wider concept since it includes both bookkeeping and accounting. Okay, accounting on the other hand is narrow in comparison to accountancy, but when you compare accounting and bookkeeping, that accounting is broader. Okay, now relation. Accounting depends on bookkeeping. Accountancy includes both bookkeeping and accounting, so it depends on both. Last function. Bookkeeping is concerned with recording, classifying, summarizing, etc. Okay, now accounting is inclusive of both bookkeeping steps and summarizing, analysis and communication of the data to the different users. Now for this it requires for calculating the results, presentation of financial position, to communicate accounting information to interested party. Okay, so it has to calculate various operating results. Then it has to know how balance sheet is to be prepared, what are the fundamentals or the guidelines in preparation of balance sheet. Okay, now come to accountancy. Accountancy is based on accounting information provided by accounting. Okay, then it includes decision making, of course. Okay, so these are the four basic difference between accounting and accountancy. I hope it is clear. You can have it. I'll share the pics of the topic difference between accounting and accountancy and bookkeeping and accounting with you. Okay, meet you in the next class. Till then, bye. God bless you.